Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at a kitchen appliance that aims to simplify cooking while delivering the versatility that modern households demand. If you've been searching for a device that can handle multiple cooking tasks without taking up too much space, then you're going to want to pay attention to this versatile air fryer and smart baking oven 8L multifunction electric cooking pot. Over the last few years, kitchen technology has evolved dramatically. Consumers no longer want separate appliances for every cooking task. Instead, people are looking for all-in-one solutions that save time, reduce clutter, and make meal preparation easier. That's exactly the purpose behind this smart cooking appliance. One of the most attractive features of this unit is its ability to perform multiple cooking functions within a single compact design. Rather than purchasing separate equipment for air frying, baking, roasting, reheating, and everyday cooking, users can rely on one appliance to accomplish all of these tasks efficiently. Let's start by talking about capacity. With an 8-liter cooking chamber, this appliance offers plenty of room for preparing meals for individuals, couples, and families. Whether you're cooking a batch of crispy fries, roasting vegetables, preparing chicken wings, or baking a homemade pizza, the available space allows you to create satisfying portions without feeling limited. The air frying capability is undoubtedly one of the biggest reasons many people will be interested in this product. Traditional deep frying often requires large amounts of oil, which can increase calories and create a mess in the kitchen. Air frying uses advanced hot air circulation technology to cook food evenly while producing a crispy texture that closely resembles conventional frying. The result is delicious food with less oil and less hassle. For health-conscious individuals, this can be a major advantage. Many people are actively looking for ways to enjoy their favorite foods while maintaining healthier eating habits. Air frying allows users to prepare crispy snacks, chicken, vegetables, and countless other recipes with significantly reduced oil consumption. What makes this appliance even more appealing is its baking functionality. While some air fryers focus exclusively on frying, this model expands its usefulness by offering baking capabilities as well. This means users can prepare cookies, cakes, muffins, bread, pastries, and a variety of desserts without needing a separate oven. Having both air frying and baking functions in one appliance provides exceptional convenience and value. The smart electronic controls further enhance the cooking experience. Instead of constantly monitoring cooking temperatures and manually adjusting settings, users can take advantage of an intuitive control system designed to make operation simple and efficient. The interface is easy to understand, making it suitable for both experienced cooks and beginners. Another important benefit is speed. Traditional ovens can often take considerable time to preheat before cooking even begins. This appliance is designed to heat quickly, helping users save valuable time throughout the cooking process. For busy professionals, students, and families managing demanding schedules, every minute saved in the kitchen can make a difference. Energy efficiency is another area where this appliance shines. Large conventional ovens frequently consume more electricity, particularly when preparing smaller meals. Because this smart cooking device utilizes a more compact cooking chamber, it can often achieve excellent cooking results while using less energy. This efficiency can contribute to lower energy consumption over time. Design also plays an important role in the overall appeal of this appliance. The sleek and modern appearance complements contemporary kitchens while maintaining a practical footprint. It doesn't dominate the countertop, yet it still provides enough capacity to handle a wide variety of cooking tasks. The combination of style and functionality makes it an attractive addition to nearly any kitchen environment. Flexibility is where this product truly demonstrates its value. Imagine preparing crispy appetizers for a gathering, baking dessert afterward, reheating leftovers the next day, and roasting vegetables for dinner later in the week, all using the same appliance. This versatility reduces the need for multiple devices while streamlining kitchen operations. Consistent cooking performance is another factor worth highlighting. Nobody enjoys food that is unevenly cooked. The advanced heat circulation system helps distribute heat more effectively throughout the cooking chamber, promoting even cooking and better overall results. This can improve texture, flavor, and presentation across a wide range of dishes. The convenience offered by this appliance extends beyond cooking. Simplified controls, efficient operation, and multifunction capabilities help reduce the complexity often associated with meal preparation. Whether you're preparing quick weekday dinners or experimenting with new recipes during the weekend, this appliance is designed to support a wide variety of culinary needs. As more households embrace smart kitchen technology, appliances like this continue to gain popularity. Consumers appreciate products that combine performance, efficiency, and versatility into a single package. This air fryer and smart baking oven represents exactly that type of innovation. Overall, the versatile air fryer and smart baking oven 8L multifunction electric cooking pot delivers an impressive combination of modern technology, cooking flexibility, convenience, and efficiency. It offers a practical solution for anyone seeking healthier cooking methods, faster meal preparation, and reduced kitchen clutter. If you're looking to upgrade your cooking experience while maximizing countertop space, this multifunction appliance is definitely worth considering. Its ability to air fry, bake, roast, and perform various cooking tasks makes it a valuable addition to today's modern kitchen. Hi guys! If you want to buy this versatile air fryer and smart baking oven 8L multifunction electric cooking pot electronic, then please visit the link provided in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you never miss upcoming reviews and product showcases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.